Okay, hi, I'm Azrina. I'm a team leader for the Seagate in UST, and I'm leading the team that working as global service desk in Seagate. It's really amazed me because it changed my point of view regarding the leadership itself. Actually, we can learn different point of view from the traditional leadership skill as we learn in school or other common company. So this workshop really helped me and really opened my mind regarding the different view. My key it's regarding the servant leadership. So servant leadership, it's not bad it called as servant, because sometimes there is a good way for the even we, here regarding the servant, there is a good way, because from the servant we can learn from the below, and we can feel other people, and from there they will feel as a belonging. So from the belonging feel, we can work as a team, and that will help we improve for the organization. Actually from this workshop I learned a lot of things, and one of the thing is 3, 7, 10 attributes. So from there actually we can implement in our organization and also personal life, because from there we learn how we can be a good team leader, a good team member, and a good family member also actually. So from there we have a lot of skill from the 3, 7, 10 attributes. And for the 3 apprentices, actually for the vision, behavior, and character, it actually develop us from become more better person, actually not only for the leadership skill but a better person.